Hey guys, I'm Girls with Heart Ambassador Akiley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make kindness cards. So to make these kindness cards, you will need white index cards, decorative tape, scissors in case I need to cut the cards, some decorative glittery pens, and a pencil. Now let's get started. Now that you've got your index card, you can write down a kind message with your colored pens. I'm gonna write down a creative way to write beautiful. Now you can start decorating it with anything you want. Kindness cards are cards that could be given to others. They could have compliments, good deeds, or pay it forward ideas. October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and we think that it is very important to talk about. Now I'm done. So now I'm finished with mine. I actually really like it. You guys can make yours however you want. Just make sure that it looks really nice and it's really kind. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome justice videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!